wave at the camera. See, baby, who needs icky Utah reservoirs when you have a big old ocean? Right? Bet you don't miss Utah as much now, huh?
Where are my friends?
There's your friends.